Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the function absolute in MS Excel. The absolute function is used to get the absolute value of a number. In other words, it will convert the negative number into positive number while the positive number remains unaffected. Let's see a few examples of absolute function. ABS is the function for absolute, where I'm just making it as absolute. Since it is a positive number, it will remain unaffected. It will return the same value. Let's say if it is negative number, it will return the positive version of the number. If you look at this is the use of absolute function. In addition to that, I just want to put a note here. Let's say if you are summing up these two numbers, so if you look at here, it is giving the result as 0 because it is summing up negative number and the same version of positive number, which will give the result as 0. So it is converting the negative number to positive number. It's not just displaying in positive version, it is actually converting the negative number into positive number, and that is the use of absolute function here. I hope this video is useful. If so, please comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all other videos whichever I am uploading for MS Excel functions. Thank you for watching.